Okay, I have just installed 3 motion detector sensors, one in the garage, one in the downstairs atrium, and then one in the stairway. So we're going to see if it works. First one's in the garage. Oh, it's on. And there's the switch plate cover right here. This is it. Always has to be on. That's for the 3-way switch. Going past my motorcycle, of course. To the door. Here's the 3-way sensor switch. Occupancy switch on. Now we're coming into the, what is this place called? Oh, my jacket right there is actually interfering with that sensor switch. There it is. Switch 1 and switch 2. This one controls that light right there, the hallway light. This sensor switch is another 3-way sensor switch along with that 3-way sensor switch. Controls this one, 2 hallway lights, and the other switch is up here.